My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid.
Hey everyone, today I got something special for you guys. We're gonna be checking out a manufacturer called Tauri, or at least that's how I think they pronounce their name. I found this listing on Amazon where it's a 3-in-1. It comes with an iPhone 13 Pro case, it comes with 2 glass screen protectors, and also it comes with 2 camera lens screen protectors. I'll probably post a link about the camera screen protectors over here. It's shockproof, it's slim, thin, and clear. Now what I really liked about this is that they also give you the option to have the MagSafe. As you guys can see, I've had this case for about, I would say, a month, maybe more, and it did not turn yellow, so I definitely agree with them on that. You guys can see it's 1 iPhone case, 1 magnet ring, 2 screen protectors, 2 camera protectors. It's shockproof up to 6 feet, 4,500 plus drops. Let's see what else there is. Anti-yellow, I definitely agree. It's slim, it's nice and thin. So let's go back. This listing is on sale right now for $20. It used to be $24, 17% off. And let's get right into the video. I have a brand new iPhone 13 Pro right here, and we're gonna be checking it out on that. Now before I do, let's open up this iPhone 13 Pro. So I'm just gonna put this one to the side, and let's just open this one up. I've actually installed an iPhone XR screen protector on here. Today we're just gonna be checking out the case. Okay, that's what we're gonna be checking out today. So set that to the side, and let's open this up. The case actually is really nice. They say they do their best to improve our experience. I really like that. Let's open it up. It's got this like texture to it. I don't know if you guys can see. You guys see that texture? So there's that. It's got a really nice texture to it. It comes with this little scan thing over here. You can scan to watch how to install screen protectors, I guess. It's got all their manufacturer stuff over here. Let's check out what's inside. Okay. Oh, that's nice. Oh look, they even give you some stickers. It's like Apple. It says Tauri, thank you. Let's check out some of the stickers that they provide. So the first one says "To the moon." That's cool. This one says it's a new day. Yes, it is. I need coffee. And over here, that's really cool actually. If you guys know who this is, let me know in the comments. Let's set that to the side. So they said it comes with 2 of these. Oh man, look at that. I don't know how I just cut myself. This is for the cameras. I already have a video on these. I personally took it off on my device, as you guys can see. And also on the gold iPhone 13 Pro Max. I've taken it off because the flash kind of gets in the way. But other than that, it's good to have. or it's good to test it out. Now, it comes with 2 of them, which is cool. Let me go wash my hand because it's all bloody. Give me a sec. Okay, now I'm back. Some cold water does the trick every time. I probably accidentally hit myself over here. Yeah, you guys can see the blood right there. It comes with the usual wipes for the screen protector, as you guys can see. And it also comes with a magnet. So you can also install this if you want to use MagSafe. Cool. I personally don't want to use it. I want to have a nice clean surface. They also provide this alignment cord where you can align the ring to get it perfectly on there. I'm not going to be using it, so I'm just going to be taking it off. Just take this off. And I don't believe there's anything in the inside, so it's just one on the outside. Now we're gonna take the iPhone 13 Pro and we're just gonna slide it in. It's a very tight fit. Here it is. So this case was brand new, right? And this one I've had for a month. Did it turn yellow? You guys let me know, did it turn yellow or not? I do not see any yellowing, which is a good sign. Let's peel this off. And that looks crispy clear. Here it is. Brand new. Side by side. I've had this for over a month. This one's brand new. I'll also make another video on installing the screen protectors. I've currently installed an iPhone XR screen protector on this, which looks good. Also same with this one. So it's all in all, I'm very happy. And here's the 2 screen protectors that it comes with. And I believe these screen protectors just go on like so. They don't cover your Face ID. That's not an issue. Thanks for watching this video, you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.